tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Today we got the best Yeezy of all time. This is great. We got the best Yeezy. Psych. Yeezy 350 V2 black non-reflective. And I leaned back, I was like, should we just say the reflective is the best? But I'ma just go, since the reflective seems kind of like, you know, one of the exclusive pairs that not a lot of people will pretty much ever see in their lifetime. I'ma go with this. The camera is kind of making it seem like it's not just like, I don't know, the camera's making it seem like a little like darkish, purplish almost. But it does have that, it does have that black all over the upper. The black on top is a little bit lighter than the just actual black of the outsole, but it still looks beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe. I knew I had to have it immediately as soon as it came out. Like, and then you add the reflective laces. And this shoe is just butter, bro. It is butter. Shout out to 300 Chefs. Everybody hit up 300chefs.com. I will have the link in the bio, in the description of this video. Yeah, the pairs were all over this group, and it's a group that actually helps the members. Like, they actually try to get everybody the shoe they want. As long as you're not blowing them up, hey, I need this shoe, hey, I need this shoe, you come for a release like this, say, y'all, I need a pair, and they will hook it up. They will hook it up. So I just wanted to show you what the best Yeezy was, really. If you guys need a fake versus real, just let me know. Actually, if this video gets 100 likes, I will do a fake versus real of this black Yeezy, cause it could be a little difficult to see what is real, what is fake. So just let me know, we'll make it happen.